All Dharma Masters and Lotus friends, tonight, please allow me your attention in sharing a poetic Dharma piece titled, "The Buddha Awaits You in His Name, Whether You See Him or Not," by Master JueYue. No one has ever seen the wind, needless to say, neither you nor I. But when the leaves are rustling, then we know the wind is right there. No one has ever seen the air, needless to say, neither you nor I. But every breath we take tells us where the air prevails. No one has ever seen the Buddha, needless to say, neither you nor I. But when we recite Amitabha's name, we know the Buddha is surely here. No one has ever seen the Pure Land, needless to say, neither you nor I. But wherever the name exists, we know that place is the Pure Land. There are always those who think that Amituofo is too far away from us, looking up at the lofty place where he dwells. Paying him homage is the most that mere mortals could ever do. There are always those who think that Amitabha's demands are too harsh on us, and we must beg and beg with our prayers for the Buddha's protection and embrace. Amitabha is not far away. He is right here next to you, on the perilous samsara trail. He waits silently for you, for more than 10 kalpas long, to recite his name and return to our home. Whether you recite his name or not, the Buddha is thinking of you through his name. Whether you are willing or not, the Buddha is beckoning you through his name. Whether you see him or not, the Buddha is guarding you through his name. Whether you want to be reborn there or not, the Buddha is waiting for you through his name. I feel that these words encourage us to consider accepting Amitofo's unconditional deliverance. Once we have opened our hearts in gratitude, it becomes easier to let go of what we have been clinging to. I hope you can spare me just a little bit more of your time to share a piece which might illustrate for you how this deliverance is permeated into our lives. Let's hear The Sound of the Bell by Master Jing Zong. The more a bell is struck, the farther its sound travels. Amitabha's deliverance works the same way. The more the people assault it, the farther his Dharma message reaches. Amitabha's deliverance is unconditional. However, there is a cost associated with having faith in the Buddha's deliverance. That is, you must fully submit yourself to the Buddha. This is like riding on a ship across the ocean. Your whole body must be on the ship, which is the meaning of Namo, paying homage to Amitabha Buddha. Suppose you can afford to spend $10,000. Then you certainly can afford 8 or 9. Likewise, If you fully devote yourself to Amitabha Buddha, naturally you can withstand all kinds of misunderstandings, defamations, and oppressions. In reality, these forms of suffering do not exist, except as necessary nourishments in the process of our growth to maturity. Thank you for listening. Namo Amitofo.